In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your Google Slides a stylish upgrade using a quick and beginner-friendly guide. This tutorial is designed to help you transform your basic, plain presentations into eye-catching and professional-looking slide decks. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Google Slides. If you haven't opened it yet, you can either search for Google Slides in your browser or go directly to its homepage. This will take you to the main page of Google Slides, which serves as your starting point. If for some reason you're not logged in, be sure to do so using your Google account. This step is essential because it grants you access not only to Google Slides, but also to a range of other Google productivity tools that could come in handy. Once you have signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides main page. Here you have a couple of options. You can choose to create a brand new presentation from scratch, or you might want to consider using one of the ready-made templates available there. If a fully personalized design is what you're aiming for, starting with a blank slide might be ideal. However, if you're pressed for time or just looking for some inspiration, a pre-designed template can be a great starting point. Now let's turn our attention to design, which is one of the most crucial aspects when it comes to making your presentation look aesthetically pleasing. The trick to achieving a polished look lies in selecting a clean and consistent theme. This choice is key for maintaining visual unity across your slides. To explore theme options, open up your presentation and check out the Themes panel that you'll find on the right side. Spend a few minutes browsing through these options to pick a theme that aligns with the tone and purpose of your content. Beyond themes, incorporating high-resolution images and graphics can significantly elevate your slide's engagement factor. These visuals are instrumental in helping your audience better understand the material you're presenting. You can add images by uploading them from your device, or you can search the web directly through Google Slides. It's quite convenient. Just ensure the images are sharp, relevant, and appropriately sized to prevent any pixelation or misalignment issues. Thoughtfully placed and well-matched images can majorly enhance your slide's look and feel. In addition to photos, consider adding icons, charts, or diagrams. These elements not only make your content more digestible, but also add a layer of visual interest. As you select these visual components, make sure they match your chosen theme to maintain that visual harmony we talked about earlier. By applying these tips, you'll be well on your way to designing visually stunning presentations that not only captivate but also convey your message clearly. The key is finding that perfect balance between striking visuals and clear content, ensuring your slides are not just beautiful to look at, but also easy to comprehend. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now equipped to craft more aesthetically pleasing Google Slides.